Hi everyone, this is Miss Day, and I wanted to first welcome you back to school. I know things have been kind of crazy lately, and for some of us, it's been kind of nerve-wracking. I'm sure there's some of us here are a little nervous about a lot of the things that are happening out on the news, things that maybe our parents or our guardians are telling us, and I want you to know that we are working as hard as possible, the Ravens teachers, to keep things as normal as possible. Um, so, given that we are doing online learning for the next few weeks, that's what Park Hill's decision was, which I think is a very smart decision. It's keeping us all safe um, as we are, as the world is working through this pandemic. I want to let you know today a little bit about what I'm expecting from you day by day as we're working through this, and talk to you a little bit about what ELA is going to look like specifically. First off, know that I'm so proud of you guys, and I love being your teacher, and it's absolutely okay if you have questions right now. If you would like to email me those questions, please feel free to. I'll have my email right there in Schoology for you to take a look at. And then I'll also talk to you about, I'm going to have a portion every single day where it will be an online conference room in a way where you get to log on and you get to talk to me each day if you'd like, and ask questions and talk about homework assignments and things like that. So without further ado, you may recognize this. This is our ELA course in Schoology, which is where we're going to be working a lot for the next few weeks. I went ahead and cleaned up our Schoology course a little bit. If you notice here, I only have two folders here now. Number one being this first folder is Unit 4 narrative writing. I do have a few folks who still haven't turned in their narrative writing pieces, and so if you would like to still turn those in, that's available here in this folder. If you need more directions from there, please feel free to email me and I'll talk you through it to get there. The second folder is where we're going to be working in the next few weeks. It's called Distance Learning ELA. When you click on it, you will see two things pop up as of now in this folder. Right now it has a link that says sign up for Edpuzzle and then a red folder that says level 1 nouns and adjectives. What I decided to do during our distance learning is to work through a few conventions, which I can hear your groans already. um, but in all honesty, it's going to be something that's kind of easier for us to work on and a little less overwhelming. So I decided to start with something that we all hopefully are a little comfortable with, which is nouns and adjectives. Each class period you have with us, I'll have a new folder here for you to work on. So for example, my Silver Day students, if I have you on Silver Days, that's what you'll be working with on Monday. And then on Tuesday, my Purple Day students will be working in this folder because it'll be a Purple Day on Tuesday. We're going to keep that schedule same. So we're starting with Monday on a Silver Day and it's just going to go back and forth. So depending on what classes you have on Silver Days, check those classes in Schoology because that's what's going to be available for you to work on. Also check your Life Ed courses too because we have a few things in Life Ed we would like you to take a look at. So let's talk a little bit back at with ELA. I'm going to have these folders set up the same way for every single assignment so that way we can kind of get into a routine. And it comes with 3 parts. The first part is video notes. So when I click on this, it's actually going to open up to an Edpuzzle, which I'm sure all of you are familiar with. Ms. Peterson talked to me a little bit about this, and so hopefully you all know what to do. You'll be able to open this up and get started. I'm going to keep the videos pretty short, hopefully, but they are instructive and they're there to help you learn a little bit about the topic. It's also going to have questions there that I'm taking a grade for this assignment. So it's a completion grade if you answer the questions and if you watch the video all the way through, you'll get your points. In order to get this, however, you do have to sign up and join my Edpuzzle. which is why I have the link back in here where it says sign up for Edpuzzle. That's the link to join my course. After you finish those video notes, it says here part 2 is practice. You'll open this page up, and I have given you plenty of choices for different practice. You only have to complete one. And once you're done, you have to screenshot your ending result and upload it to submit it into the assignment. So for example, let's say I want to go to do the quizzes. I'll click on that link. It'll load. I'll start the game, I'll play it, and whatever my final score is, I'll go back into Schoology and submit it here. I have instructions on how to screenshot your score, but if you're not sure how to, I can also show you. Just email me and I'll conference with you. After that's completed, sorry, Winnie's making noises in the background. She's playing with a toy. I'm sorry, guys. I want you to complete this quiz. This quiz is not an 80% grade. Instead, it's just a normal 20% grade, but I would like you to do your best on it. So it's 3 assignments for each folder. 1 is the video notes, the Edpuzzle. Number 2 is the practice. You got to submit that screenshot into me, and 3 is the quiz. So 3 assignments for each day. Hopefully you can complete this. My expectation is completing it within 30 minutes or so, but it is in block scheduling. So if you have Silver Day with me on Monday, it will not be due until Wednesday morning. So you have a little bit of time to get to work on this. I'm going to pause it real. Sorry if it seems a little glitchy or I don't know, like it was in and out. I had to go pick up Winnie because she was making up too much noise. So with that being said, let me introduce you real quick to someone who might be showing up a little bit in our conferences. This is Winnie. Hopefully she will stay quiet during our online conferences, or if you ever, or any videos that I make that I can't 100% control her, and sometimes she likes to bark at the neighbors. So sorry if you're hearing background noises. I'll try to be as minimal as possible in distractions and stuff. Which leads me to online conferencing. Every single day from 1 to 1:30, I will be conferencing through Zoom. It's an online app that many people can log on and get to talk to each other virtually like this. And I'll post the link to those daily Zoom videos where you'll get to talk to me face to face, just online, right here, right above this folder every single day. So during 1 to 1:30, if you have any questions at all, or if you're not sure about something, you can log in, click on the link, and you'll get to talk to me. And we'll get to learn together a little bit. So that's all I have for now. I will definitely be posting more as we're going through this. Please be flexible with me, like have an open mind to all of these things, because this is new for me and I know it's new for you, and so we're just all learning this together. With that being said, stay safe, everybody, and I look forward to getting to see you.